Smoking Sooty Sommelier-ish, ukulele, ukulele J.
Hi everybody, today we're making candied bacon, millionaire bacon, billionaire bacon, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be sweet, salty, savory. It's going to be scintillating.
So we have our Dr. Bill's candy maple syrup out of New Orleans, Louisiana. Some black pepper that I'll be grinding fresh, some chipotle powder, and some brown sugar, and of course, our main event, the bacon. Now it's time to separate those piggy wiggy strips. Put them on a tray. Make sure that you have lots of air circulating, so I like to use cooling racks. Make sure your bacon doesn't overlap. It should be really close to each other, barely touching the edges. Our first ingredient, and one of the most important, is our Dr. Bill's candy maple syrup out of New Orleans, Louisiana. We're going to go ahead and take that, put it in a little container, and we're going to use our brush to put that on the bacon, just like you're painting a fence. Next, we're going to ground some nice black pepper over our bacon. Next, for a little pizzazz on our palate, we're going to use some smoky chipotle seasoning. And now for the brown sugar. So make sure you take your brown sugar and coat your bacon well. Go ahead and go heavy. Don't worry about it. You'll lose a little bit on the drippings, but you want to make sure you get that bacon nice and coated for that caramelization. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees, 375. Once your oven's ready, stick the bacon in and let her sit for 16 minutes, 6 minutes. Cooking times will vary based on your temperature and altitude. And now for the fabulous flyby. Here's the candied bacon.
So we're all done with our candied bacon, and I'm gonna take a taste because it is Father's Day, and I think I deserve this. Oh, this looks like a good piece right here. Look at that. Crispy. There's nothing better than bacon. Sweet and salty. Definitely have that pepper note. Dr. Bill's candied maple syrup. Shining through. A little hint of chipotle. It is scintillating.
Smoking Sooty Sommelier-ish, ukulele, ukulele J.